Here's lost power and power back. No, can't come in right now. Go into the house. Right, completely white. Still basically is. Go into the house. Apparently, yep, hell.
What?
We have hell.
What?
We have small hell. Now the wind's coming back around this way. Oh boy. It's coming back from this way now. From the opposite direction.
Oh, jeez.
And nope, not turning yet. Wind's fixing to change. It just dropped. Okay, back from the same southerly direction for a bit. Oh boy. Okay, boys, to the barn. That's where nuggets go in. Go. Go, Grady, go. The rain sound inside is pretty cool. Let's step outside. Well, hi, Smooth. Oh my gosh, why aren't you in the barn, baby? You're wanting in the house too. God, and that's inside of all the dogs want in. Because of this. A severe thunderstorm. Fine, wet cat, just stay off my couch. You probably won't. It's not windy now, which is good because otherwise I wouldn't be able to stand out here. Hey, Smooth. Hey, Smooth, buddy. Hi. Smooth. Okay, Rain has decided to come back from the south again. Generator's getting started so that we can have power again because power went out a little while ago. Oh my. Wind spell. You're so wet and you're gonna want in, and unless you go to the barn, unless Dad decides to let you in, I can't. Ooh. Wet, wet, wet. Oh, one of the lands broke and landed right there in the tree. Water, yes. Standing water. Standing water. Standing water. Gotta get it so finished clean. Take that. I don't know what happens with those. I don't see the rabbit thing. Where is it? No roof. Hedge.
Yeah, they're still in there.
Yeah, but
oh, this
no,
is gonna be a pain.
they may be out.
And
We need to come to.
well, what are we gonna do?
Look.
Chase them?
Can't even see the fence.
We're not gonna chase them.
No.
Look
It's yeah.
all the way down.
All the way down.
Like the roof is almost touching the ground right here.
Yeah.
And there's a big gaping hole in the top, but it looks like the wall.
The retaining wall.
It's all still there
staying.
because see, like it's collapsed over there too.
Yeah.
See all
Things
this?
are wet, though.
Yeah.
Big
Yeah.
gaping
There's
hole,
you can
but
see
the
there's
wall is still
there's
there.
there's the top of the reinforcements of the ceiling right there.
Yeah,
for
the center
wall.
pole, the ridge beam is still in place. It collapsed on either side of it. That's a decent sized tree. You know, like look at that.
It was a
Not,
hackberry.
yeah, not just a branch. We lost the whole tree.
All right.
Well, actually, we gamed it.
All right. So it demolished the side of the fence over here so dogs can possibly get into the garden.
What?
Yep. Come around.
No, I'm not gonna go around.
I'm gonna check the back side.
Down a little bit.
I'm gonna check the back to the back side now, as I can get over there. Shoot. If I can see. Hello, cattle panel.
Look at this piece of metal. This piece of metal was laying flat on the ground next to the fence.
Yeah.
And it's wrapped around the corner now.
Yeah, there was a dry spot where it was.
Yeah, this
Holy
is what
crap.
it was sitting. It wrapped it around the corner.
That's perfect.
Oh, wow, look. We lucked out. We lucked out.
Oh.
Oh, wow. We didn't get the whole tree.
We didn't get the whole tree.
We only got part of it.
Our fence to keep the dogs in are intact.
Yep.
I knew it.
Didn't even touch the perimeter
Oops,
fence.
and I was filming the whole time, but I wasn't showing anything. I'll just figure that out.
Oh,
So,
and the fence is shorted out.
yeah, right there.
We're gonna die.
Yeah, the ones I'm worried about dying are the cats.
Yeah,
I don't need them to kill any more of them.
right.
They already killed one.
Yeah, so we got 2 left of the kittens. Oh, what is it?
Yeah, the electric fence is probably tripped or in error right now.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's sticking right here too.
Yeah.
So it's definitely come loose, and it's touching multiple places on this side. All down this needs to be restrung. So, whoa. Okay. Disconnect the garden for now. Yep.
Look how many leaves are left on the tree.
I know there's hardly any leaves left on this. And we lost that tree over there that's on top of the fence.
Yeah. And
Oh, look, there's a dog sitting there going, what do we do? Oh, man. What broke there?
Yeah, when the branches hit, it broke the power line off the top of the fence.
Oh, dang.
It ripped off connectors.
Oh, wow.
I like the mouse cat too much.
He likes the mouse kittens too much, he says.
Oh, wow. It's a little smushed.
It's a little smushed.
Oh, okay, this is just a branch.
I'm gonna feed the mouse cat.
Where's the rest of this? Did it just pop from the top of the tree? It did.
Yep, it came off of that one right there.
Yep. Came from that tree. To land there on the fence. I'm getting over ways you can throw it over there. Everything else got smushed by limbs too, so if you need to throw it into the middle. That works. Ish. What else we got going? Oh. Okay, another limb down, but at least this one's just blocking some pathway, I think. Wow.
My headlamp's stronger.
It's because the head is emptier. Oh, another one.
Yep. I'm
Ay,
checking.
Dios mío.
Yeah, I'm checking.
That's a dangerous one there.
Yes.
I am not walking under that.
No, I would not. Come back in, and
Yeah,
we're going to
I'm
walk
not
this
walking under
way
that.
and just look down the fence line on the other side of it's what I figured. Because I'm like, when I saw that, I'm like, nope, nope, that was missed.
Yeah, nope.
That was just totally missed. All right.
Alright.
Okay.
Well, what about the trees that we do want? These are nice.
Yeah. Yep. That's what they're supposed to be. No. No, it's got whiskers.
Oh, this one's
Oops.
a little bit.
Just a little bent.
Oh, I found the lid to the trash can.
Yep, there it is. Whoa, that was on tight though, wasn't it?
They do snap on there pretty tight.
Yeah. Okay.
Big trees, good.
Yep.
These are tropical, so they're flexible.
Yep.
They just bend over.
Yep. And the chicken things. The chickens are going, yep, we're cool.
Well, I don't see anything else at a glance.
No, we'll have to go up to the front and check around there. All right. Off.